Will new 2025 laws kill RV life? Here's the truth you need to know. Your motorhome could soon be illegal, and here's how to protect yourself. Imagine buying your dream RV and then finding out you can't even register it anymore. It's a scary tactic, and it's a real risk. Thousands of RV owners could be blindsided by the new 2025 emission laws rolling out right now across America. But if you understand what's happening and act fast, you can save yourself massive headaches and possibly thousands of dollars. Let's break it down quickly and clarify. We're talking about small updates or tiny changes. This massive shift that's going to reshape the entire RV market, and it's already starting. The craziest part, most RVers still have no idea it's happening. I'm going to show you exactly what these new laws mean for your RV dreams, how you can beat the changes, and why the open road is still yours, if you're smart about it. Here's the real story. The Clean Air Act gives the EPA the power to set national emissions rules. But California, they're allowed to go even stricter. And now they have. Under California's Advanced Clean Trucks regulations, big vehicles, and that includes most motorhomes, have to start shifting to zero emission sales starting with the 2024 model year. And it's not just California anymore. 11 states are jumping in and copying these rules. The big picture? By 2036, nearly every new heavy-duty vehicle sold in these states has to be zero emission, or manufacturers get hit with massive penalties. So what does that mean for you as an RV owner? If you already own an RV, you're fine. No rules are coming for you. But if you're looking to buy a new one, especially something like a big Class A, Super C, or even some Class C motorhomes, you need to move fast, and here's why. Big motorhomes are considered heavy-duty vehicles, and zero-emission motorhomes, they don't even exist yet. Manufacturers are scrambling to figure it out, but there's nothing practical ready today. If you wait too long, your choices can shrink dramatically, and prices could shoot up. Smart RVers are locking in the rigs they want now, before supply tightens up and costs skyrocket. So which states are locking down these new rules? Here's the list. California, Colorado, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Rhode Island, Vermont, and Washington. If you live, register, or plan to spend a lot of time RVing in any of these states, these changes hit you directly. And it doesn't stop with motorhomes. By 2028, even portable gas generators will have to meet zero emission standards. At the same time, gasoline prices are projected to spike, possibly hitting $6 to $7 a gallon in places like California, thanks to new carbon market rules. This isn't just about what you drive, it's about how you power your RV adventures and how much every fill up at the pump will cost you. The RV industry is fighting back. Groups like the RV Industry Association are pushing hard for exceptions, arguing that RVs don't rack up as many miles as trucks. But so far, California regulators aren't budging. They want a full shift to zero-emission vehicles by 2036, no matter how tough it gets. Waiting around for a maybe isn't a winning strategy. Smart RVers are adapting now, before it's too late. Here's how you could stay ahead of the game. Already own an RV? Awesome, you're good. Thinking about buying a big motorhome? Shop now before the 2025-2026 models tighten supply even more. Want more flexibility? Class B vans are the smart move. Ford and Mercedes have electric models on the way. Need total peace of mind? Towable RVs like travel trailers aren't affected. No engine, no problem. The faster you plan, the more options and savings you'll have in your hands. Bottom line, the RV lifestyle isn't ending, it's evolving. Change is never easy, but the freedom, the adventure, the sunsets, and wide open highways are still out there waiting for you. If you know the rules early, make smart moves, and stay a step ahead of the crowd, you'll be able to keep living your best RV life no matter what the new regulations say. Please drop a comment and let me know what your experience is and what you think about this situation. I'd love to hear from you. Also, for more information about RV tips and tricks, click some of my videos over here. Until the next video, safe travels.